Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pant patches is probably one of the most innovative and practical solutions for extending the life of your favorite pair of pants. Say goodbye to embarrassing rips and tears, and hello to discreet, durable repairs that will keep your pants looking and feeling their best, without sacrificing style or comfort. This video will show you exactly how to apply these patches for a seamless, professional-looking finish. Number 5. ZEFFFKA Denim Patches. These aren't your average patches, they're made with the strongest glue and 100% cotton for a durable, long-lasting fix. They're perfect for repairing or decorating your favorite denim. Applying these patches is a breeze. Just use an iron to adhere them to your clothes in under a minute. No sewing or extra glue needed. Use them on the outside for decoration or the inside for discreet repairs. They're versatile enough for any project. These patches can withstand high temperatures, both washing and drying. And if they start to peel, simply re-iron them. Extend the life of your clothes by repairing tears or reinforcing weak spots. They're great for jeans, jackets, and even sheets. With 12 patches in various shades of blue, you have everything you need to repair and decorate your clothes. Order yours now. What we like. It boasts the strongest adhesive, ensuring it withstands multiple washes. The 100% cotton material provides a natural, comfortable feel. If you need a durable, easy-to-use solution for clothing repair, this is the one for you. What people say. These patches stick well and you can cut them in different shapes to repair or redecorate holey jeans or regular jeans. Also can be used on other items. Stay on well through many washes. Easy to apply. The patch worked, even with the thicker seam. I'm pleased that I've been able to wash and dry my jeans regularly without the patch peeling or becoming unglued. Durability is great. Definitely easy to use, but be ready to lean into the iron with extra pressure, and also make sure you don't scorch your fabric. Adhesion was not perfect but very good. Number 4. HTVRONT Iron Patches. Do you have a favorite pair of jeans with holes or rips? These patches are the perfect solution to repair and restore them to their former glory. Give your old jeans a new lease on life. Unlike other patches, these have 30% more glue for superior adhesion. They'll withstand multiple washes and still look great. We even include needles and thread for extra security. Applying these patches is quick and easy. Just iron them on for a few minutes, and you're done. It's perfect for both repair and decoration. Made from high-quality, durable cotton, these patches are built to last. They're versatile and can be used on most fabrics. Get creative and personalize your clothes. At 4:1/4 by 3 inches, they're ideal for covering small or large holes. The 4 colors allow you to match your jeans perfectly, making repairs virtually invisible. What we like. This patch has 30% more glue than others, guaranteeing lasting adhesion even after many washes. Application is quick and simple, requiring only an iron. If you're looking for a long-lasting, fuss-free repair, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This comes with multiple colors, some thread for sewing up cuts or tears if need be, and very good but simple instructions. The patches are a decent size at 3 by 4:1/4, making them versatile for various types of clothing. The iron-on feature makes application a breeze. Simply place the patch where you need it, iron it on, and you're good to go. These patches worked well in patching a hole in the knee of jeans. Easy to apply and will likely be durable. Number 3. ZEFFFKA Premium Patches. These aren't your average patches. They're made with premium materials and a super strong adhesive, so they'll last. Repairing clothes has never been easier. Just use an iron and you're done in under a minute. No sewing required. Use them to cover holes on the outside of your clothes, or apply them inside for an invisible repair. They can withstand high temperatures, both washing and drying. And if they start to peel, just re-iron them. Extend the life of your favorite clothes by repairing tears or reinforcing weak spots. They're great for everything from pants to sheets. Get yours today and give your clothes a new lease on life. They're durable, easy to use, and perfect for any repair or design project. What we like. Its superior adhesive ensures the patch stays put, wash after wash. Made from high-quality 100% cotton, it feels soft and natural against your skin. If you value durability and ease of use, this is the ideal option. What people say. Works as expected. Easy to apply. And I have had no issues. After ironing them onto the jeans and having them there for a few months, they show no sign of wear or tear or losing adhesiveness. Applied per instructions to each side of the torn fabric and the hot iron melted in the patch. Each edge of the seams as secure to the initial torn fabric as one can expect. Number 2. ZEFFFKA Premium Patches. These aren't your average patches. They're made with premium materials and a super strong adhesive for lasting repairs and stylish decoration. With 14 patches in assorted colors and sizes, you have everything you need to fix holes or add a creative touch to your clothes. Simply place it where needed, and iron for 60 seconds. No sewing required. It's that simple. Use them on the outside for decoration, or the inside for discreet repairs. They're versatile and adaptable to your needs. These patches can withstand high temperatures, both washing and drying. And if they peel, just re-iron them. Repair tears and reinforce weak spots to keep your favorite clothes looking and feeling great for longer. They're perfect for everything from pants to sheets. What we like. With a wide array of colors, it's easy to find the perfect match for your clothes. The 100% cotton material offers a soft, comfortable feel. If you need a versatile and user-friendly solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to apply, quality, fixes the problem areas well, good size, washable. The patches are thick and may seem stiff, but after a week and a wash they soften up and are holding up well with no signs of wear yet. They work on all thick, soft or heavy type socks and will certainly hold up well on other garments that either wore out or to patch up a tear. Just follow the directions. These iron-on patches extend the life of my 6-year-old's pants significantly. He always is busting a knee. These iron on relatively easily and hold up pretty well in the dryer. Number 1. Iron-on patches for clothing repair. These 30 iron-on patches come in a variety of classic colors to match any style. They're perfect for repairing or decorating your clothes, adding a unique touch to your wardrobe. With a convenient hot melt glue backing, applying these patches is a breeze. Simply iron them on, no sewing required. Save time and effort while adding personality to your clothes. These patches feature classic, versatile colors that complement various clothing styles. They're perfect for adding a subtle touch or making a bold statement. Use them to repair tears, reinforce weak spots, or add decorative flair to your clothes. They're also great for crafting projects, letting your creativity shine. Made from durable denim and twill, these patches are built to last. They won't easily wear out, ensuring your repairs and decorations stay put. For best results, iron these patches at 302 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Please check the size before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of patches in classic colors to suit various needs. The convenient iron-on application saves you time and effort. If you need a variety of colors and a quick fix, this is the best option. What people say. These are perfect for the small tears in my husband's work jeans. I should have ample supply since there are 30 pieces. They are very easy to iron on. Use these to patch holes in denim jeans and shorts, mainly to wear around the house or doing yard work. The patches have come off. Maybe some slight lack of adhesion in corners I wasn't able to iron properly right next to the seam. I'd definitely buy these again to get some more wear out of old pants. I ironed a patch onto a camouflage uniform that was inappropriate to use with a hole in it. With the wide range of colors, it was easy to find a good match. Snipping out a piece the right size and shape, I was able to achieve a virtually invisible repair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.